Welcome to another simple and exciting electronic project on a breadboard. First, take a 1 kilo ohm resistor and insert it into the breadboard. This resistor is important because it limits the current in the circuit and helps protect the components. Next, insert a BC547 NPN transistor into the breadboard. Connect the emitter pin of the transistor to one pin of the 1 kilo ohm resistor. Now take a jumper wire and connect it to the collector pin of the transistor. This wire will carry current from the transistor to the LED when the transistor turns on. After that, insert a red LED into the breadboard. Connect the negative or short pin of the LED to the jumper wire coming from the collector of the transistor. This means the LED will turn on when current flows through the transistor. Next, take another jumper wire and connect it to the negative pin of the LED. Now, you'll need two insulated free jumper wires to act as touch sensors. Connect one free wire to the jumper wire attached to the negative pin of the LED. Connect the second free wire to the base pin of the BC547 transistor. Finally, connect the power supply. Connect the negative terminal of the 12-volt battery to the 1 kilo ohm resistor. Connect the positive terminal of the 12-volt battery to the positive or long pin of the LED. Now your circuit is ready. When you touch the two insulated free wires with your finger, the LED turns on instantly. When you remove your finger, the LED turns off. Simple, magical, and very satisfying to watch. Your finger conducts a tiny amount of electricity due to natural skin resistance. When you touch the two free wires, a very small current flows into the base of the BC547 transistor. The transistor amplifies this tiny current and allows a much larger current to flow from collector to emitter, which powers the LED. As soon as you remove your finger, the base current disappears, the transistor turns off, and the LED goes out. This circuit can be used in touch-based on-off switches, DIY touch lamps, simple security or detection projects, educational projects to learn transistors and amplification, and in fun science experiments for beginners and students.